Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Rinse fresh rosemary and measure 1 cup water per 1/4 cup herb or 2 tablespoons dried. Bring to a gentle simmer. Avoid a rolling boil because high heat destroys aromatic oils. Once simmering, turn off heat and add the rosemary. Cover immediately to trap steam. Steep for 20 to 30 minutes so compounds infuse without degrading. After steeping, strain the leaves and let the infused water cool to room temperature before any use. This preserves potency and prevents scalp. Once done, decide if you want to concentrate. Return strained liquid to low heat and reduce to 1/2 volume for a stronger extract, then cool. For hair, pour as a final rinse after shampooing, massage into scalp, leave 5–10 minutes, then air dry. For face, dilute 1 to 4 with distilled water and mist. In the kitchen, add a tablespoon to soups or marinades. Make sure to refrigerate up to 7 days or freeze portions for longer storage to avoid spoilage. Finish by bottling your rosemary water and labeling with the preparation date so you track freshness. Discard after 7 days if refrigerated. If you experience irritation on skin or scalp, stop using immediately and run a patch test. Apply a small diluted amount behind the ear for 24 hours. For low effectiveness, boost the herb-to-water ratio or extend steeping by another 10 to 15 minutes on the next batch. However, avoid excessive heat, which can break down beneficial compounds and change aroma.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.